Welcome to English Every Day. I'm really glad you're here, Koo. Let's get started.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Everyday Podcast. I'm Taylor.
And I'm Jamie. It's amazing to have you here today. We hope you're feeling ready to learn, speak, and have fun with English.
And today, we're starting with a sentence that may sound a little shocking.
It might even make you raise your eyebrows.
But stick with us, because this one sentence could change the way you learn English forever.
Stop learning grammar.
Yes, you heard that right.
Stop learning grammar, at least the way you've been learning it.
Because for many learners around the world, grammar has become something heavy,
Something scary.
a wall, instead of a bridge.
We memorize rules.
We highlight textbooks.
We do exercises. Past simple, present perfect, passive voice, conditionals.
Pages and pages and pages.
And yet, we still struggle to speak
Why?
because grammar became your goal.
Well, it was supposed to be only a tool.
If you're learning English just to pass a test, grammar might be enough.
But if you're learning English to communicate, to speak, to feel, to connect with real people,
Then grammar alone will never get you there.
we know people who studied grammar for years.
They know every tense, every structure, every rule.
But ask them a simple question like, "So, how was your day?"
And they freeze.
Their mind becomes a battlefield of rules instead of a place for expression.
Maybe that's happened to you too. You want to speak, you know the words, but your brain whispers, "Wait, is it correct? Should I use was or were?"
And while your brain is trying to be perfect, your voice stays silent.
That silence is not because you don't know enough. It's because you've been learning English like a grammar machine.
Instead of a communicator, a speaker, a human,
Children don't learn grammar first.
they listen.
They repeat.
They make mistakes, many mistakes, but they keep speaking.
And day by day, the language grows naturally.
So today,
We're not saying grammar doesn't matter.
we're saying grammar without usage is like buying a car and never driving it.
Beautiful, powerful, but completely useless.
So instead of asking, which grammar rule should I study next?
Ask this instead. How can I use what I already know? How can I speak, even with mistakes?
Because language grows by doing, not by memorizing. All right, now let's dive deeper. Why isn't learning grammar alone enough to make you fluent? Let's be honest. If grammar alone could make you speak perfectly, then every student in school would be a native speaker by now.
Exactly. Some people study for years, 5, 10, even 15 years, and they still hesitate to form a simple sentence.
Because grammar teaches you how language works, but it doesn't teach you how to use it in real life. It's like reading about swimming or watching someone play guitar. You might understand it perfectly, but until you jump in the water or pick up the guitar, nothing happens.
Right. You learn swimming in the water. You learn guitar with your hands. And you learn English by speaking, listening, and practicing daily.
Grammar is a guide, a manual. Fluency is built from experience, mistakes, repetition, rhythm, and interaction.
I once met a student who knew every tense better than me. Seriously.
He could explain conditionals like a professor.
But when he tried to order coffee, he froze.
He thought, should I say, can I have, or could I get? Is it polite enough? What if I make a mistake?
And after a long pause, he said nothing.
He just pointed at the menu.
He didn't lack knowledge, he lacked freedom.
Grammar had become his prison, not a tool.
Many learners listening right now might feel the same.
You're not weak. You're overthinking.
You're not slow, you're afraid to speak imperfectly.
And here's the truth. Imperfection is the door to fluency. Stop learning grammar like it's a math problem.
Stop collecting rules like stamps.
Instead, focus on real usage.
1. Learn by patterns, not by rules.
Don't memorize every present perfect formula.
Listen to real sentences that use it naturally.
I've just finished work. I've been busy lately. I've never tried that before.
Patterns stick, rules fade.
2. Speak through mistakes.
Don't wait for perfect grammar.
Say it wrong.
Then correct it.
Then say it better.
3. Use English every day, even 5 to 10 minutes.
Talk to yourself.
Record your voice.
Describe your day.
Shadow a video.
Speak to a friend.
Language grows like a muscle.
No usage equals no strength.
Mistakes are not failures.
They're your progress in action. All right, everyone. Now it's time to get practical.
Yes, this is the fun part.
We've talked about why grammar alone isn't enough.
Now, let's see how you can actually use English every day, even if you make mistakes.
Let's start with a simple example, ordering coffee.
Many learners overthink it, trying to make a perfect sentence in their head.
Should I say, can I have? Or could I get? Or maybe I would like.
And while they're thinking, the moment is gone.
But here's the truth. All these sentences work. Can I have a coffee?
Could I get a coffee?
I'd like a coffee, please.
1 coffee, please.
See? Communication wins, not perfection.
Let's try another one.
You want to tell someone about yesterday.
Many learners freeze thinking, did I use past tense correctly? Should I say goed, wented?
Exactly, and it stops them from speaking.
But if you just say, yesterday I go to the gym.
Even if it's wrong, the listener understands.
And with feedback, you naturally upgrade it to, yesterday I went to the gym.
Mistakes are bridges, not failures.
Every time you speak, even imperfectly, you improve.
Listeners, join us now. Repeat these sentences out loud.
Don't worry about grammar. Just speak. I want coffee.
I want to relax.
I want to learn English.
Great! Now upgrade them naturally.
I'd like a coffee.
I'd love to relax.
I'm improving my English every day.
Feel that? That's progress through expression, not memorization.
Now, let's push a little further.
Idea, I studied last night.
Say it however you can, even if it's wrong.
I study yesterday night.
Yesterday, I study.
Last night, I studied.
All 3 communicate the idea. Your voice matters more than perfect grammar.
The more you speak, the more natural your English becomes.
Remember, every mistake is a step forward.
The fluency grows from speaking, listening, and repeating, not from endless grammar drills.
So, start small.
5 minutes a day.
Speak.
Make mistakes.
Correct yourself.
Repeat. Grow. All right, everyone. Here's the bottom line from today's episode.
Stop learning grammar endlessly.
It's not your enemy.
But it's not the hero of your language journey either.
The hero is you.
Speaking, practicing, and using English every single day.
Remember this. Fluency isn't about knowing every rule.
It's about using what you already know.
Mistakes aren't failures.
They are stepping stones.
Every sentence you speak, even imperfectly, is progress.
If you take one thing from this episode, let it be this.
Use English actively.
Speak boldly.
Learn grammar through action, not memorization.
And here's a simple challenge for you, our listener.
1. Speak 5 sentences in English today, any way you can.
2. Don't stop for grammar.
3. Record yourself if possible. Hear your mistakes, then try again tomorrow.
4. Repeat daily.
Small steps like these?
Every single day will bring massive improvement in just a few weeks, not years.
Think of language as a living muscle.
You don't train it by just reading books.
You train it by moving it, stretching it, using it.
So go ahead and say it with us. Stop learning grammar. Start speaking English.
And that's it for today's episode.
Thanks for listening to English Everyday Podcast.
Keep speaking, keep practicing, and remember,
Fluency grows when you use, not memorize.
subscribe us for more tips on practical English.
Please like and share this episode with a friend who's stuck in grammar overthinking.
Your support gives us more energy and motivation to keep helping you achieve real fluency.
Comment your 5-sentence challenge below. We'd love to hear your progress.
Bye for now, everyone.
Bye, everyone.